All right, welcome to Law Dog Corvette. It has been almost a month since I made a video. A lot of stuff has been going on in the family, but we're back with the 1974 Corvette Convertible. We are at the rear of the vehicle working on the rear lights. And so right there is going to be the wiring harness that's coming out from the back convertible area, and we're going to hook up the following lights. We've got the brake light, we have the reverse light, we also have the turn signals, we have the side markers, and the last light back here is the license plate light. So you can see we've got, this is the old brake light and turn signal. This is the new reverse light. All right, so basically we've wired up the side marker, reverse light, brake, and tail, and blinker here. Now you'll notice that I've got two different types of lights here. I've got a regular bulb, double filament bulb. That's going to be the tail, brake, and blinker. But I also have an LED bulb. This is the reverse light, but I also wanted it to be a tail light. But if you look up here, the reverse light, which is this one, is clear in the center and then red on the outside. And it only comes on when you're in reverse gear. And of course, this is the brake light, tail light, and blinker. But I wanted this one to be the reverse light and a tail light. So when you were rolling down the road at night, that both lights would be red. And I wanted this to be red, even though it's clear. So I went with an LED. This is a color changing LED. Half of the LED diodes on there are red and the other half are white. So I've got the assistant in the driver's seat, and he's going to turn the vehicle on. Does he have the battery attached? All right, after much wiring, here is the final product. We got the bulbs in, so let's do brake lights. All right, brake off, and then left blinker. Looks amazing. All right, brake light on with left blinker. That's perfect. All right, brake off, left blinker off. All right, now go running lights. Awesome. This was the LED light that we put in that shines red. And then blinker on. Looks amazing. And now throw the reverse light on. And there's a reverse light. With the reverse light here is white, and around here is red. It looks just crazy amazing. All right, looks great. All right, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like all this hard work on this 1974 Corvette Convertible, subscribe, as all of the lights on this car are now done. Congratulations to me.